Hi guys, good morning.
Welcome back to a new video and a new day.
Yeah, new day here in
Paradise.
So, we just finished getting ready kasi we're going out na kami ng SM. Bibili kami ng
today will be our last chance to get any of the baby essentials that we need. So like creams, what stuff again? Soaps. And then tomorrow we're going to go to Mandawi Foam and hopefully get a
crib. Is it crib?
Yeah. A wooden one.
Yeah. So
for the nursery.
We're just waiting. We're just waiting for the to open.
You said open 9.
No, you said 10. And then ayun guys, I'm wearing pala my dress from H&M. Binili ko pa kahapon. So wala na talaga akong damit na masuot. And then, alam niyo ba guys, I have a kwento for you guys. Yeah, last night, I was really like almost gonna cry.
Because your leg is like,
napapaiyak
on the pillow like this. It's like this.
No, it's just...
It is, I saw it.
We walked so much yesterday.
Yeah, and because your leg's in the weird position.
Yeah, it always like that, malab.
No, but this pillow is high. Your leg is like that.
Yeah, so sobrang sakit talaga guys ng ng legs.
It was salt.
So,
that's what they tell us in the army. If you're getting cramps, you need salt.
Salt what?
Eat it. Every PT session they said eat salt so you don't get, so your legs don't get cramped.
It's pregnancy symptoms as well. Mostly common na pregnant is have cramps malab. Yeah, comment down below kung naranasan nyo din yan. Iba talaga ang sakit guys. Yan talaga yung ko guys, sa pagbubuntis ko, yung cramps na yan. Lalo na ng second semester, school yan. Second trimester, I always have cramps. I don't know if I always mention it. I mentioned it to you guys. Kasi nga, nung second trimester ko, lagi akong kina-cramps. I always get cramps. And then, yun. Kanina, earlier, this is the longest, cramps I've ever had. It, take ages to be gone. Like, I keep asking Cameron, my feet? It's really hurt, What happened? He doesn't.
I'm in a deep sleep. You just didn't say anything, you said my leg hurts.
You always know, every time my legs hurt, it's get cramps.
Yeah, that's why you doing this.
So, ayun, hila siya ng paa ko, minamassage. Hindi pa din matanggal. Ayun. Iba kasi nagsasabi na magtayo daw ako kapag nag-cramps yung aking paa. They said that if it doesn't work like massage like that, you should get up. Then that's the time that when I get up, that's the time that the cramps gone. And then until now guys, it still hurts. Oo, masakit siya. Parang alam mo yung sinuntok, tapos yung natirang sakit andyan. Update ko pala kayo guys, I'm 30 weeks pregnant na. 3rd trimester.
And your watch doesn't fit.
Hindi na magkasya yung ko.
And your feet has grown.
Oo guys, hindi naman manas yung paa ko.
Maybe it's just that shoe.
It's not, hindi ako manas guys, as in, siguro yung mukha ko lang. Pero yung paa ko hindi siya manas. Lumaki lang talaga yung paa ko guys, my feet. From 35, sabi ko kagahapon, ay hinanap ko yung 36 to 37. Grabe ang nilaki ng paa ko. It's not even swollen. Is it my feet is swollen?
Maybe it's with walkouts.
No, I mean like normal swollen, like other pregnant have.
So.
Hindi naman. Hindi siya. This one? Normal lang. Ganun pa din.
When the baby gonna come out, gonna be back to normal.
Ay, nako. Anyway nga guys.
Let's go.
Alis na tayo guys. Let's go to Iloilo. I mean SM pala. Kasi kakain tayo. So, Told you.
I didn't say anything. Remember the last time we came here, Charlie and Dad?
Here we go again, stair.
Wanna go on my shoulders?
No, it's okay. Oh. Skuday. Sakit na ngayon pa ako magsaakyat ako sa hagdan. Finally guys, dito na tayo sa SM.
Silver one.
No. Over there. The why you want ano? We haven't been there in Seattle.
We went there and it was shit. Remember?
It's only cakes.
Remember, they only sell sandwiches.
So, dito kami sana, ano guys, kakain. Try namin to sa Seattle Best Coffee kung medyo may ano sila, may pagkain sila. Mature hot chocolate.
Ano ba size?
What size you want?
Small.
Small lang.
Sige,
medium lang.
Ma'am, nipit ko na order to ma'am. Tuwa ko order sa big breakfast. Mas scrambled lang.
Guys, dito kami ngayon sa Seattle Best. In Seattle, USA.
It's very warm.
Joke, sa Seattle Best na lang kami kumain. Kasi doon sa, where we first, cafe went.
It's not much.
Yan, na-masok. Andito ang sarap ng breakfast nila, like big breakfast talaga. Pancake, bacon, and we'll show you later guys, may music pa. Baka makapiright tayo, no? Guys, this is our food. Foodie, are you happy?
It's really massive.
The tree has a massive sausage. Ito naman yung sa akin, same kaming camera. Guys, kain tayo. Sarap pala yung toast na may butter and then lagyan mo ng jam. Sarap pala siya. My first time. Taka naman ng hot chocolate na lang. Yes. Pwede lang pa. Hot chocolate. Taste test. It's good. Tingnan kay camera na boss na sa akin. Madami pa. Binigay ko na kay Mr. yung pancake guys kasi
In the trash bin or the stray dog.
siya yung kumakain ng tira-tira ko lagi. I always want to eat the sabi niya parang aso daw siya daw taga-kain ng mga tira-tira. Hindi ko naman maubos, masayang naman kung hindi kainin, di ba? Guys, we're done eating na. You don't need to buy that. Punta kami ng punta lang kami ng where are we going? Sofab. So, pupunta kami ngayon ng department store na guys.
It's gonna get baby stuff now.
Yes.
No more sandals.
Just look for the last time. Pumunta kami ng Sofab guys. And then ng CLL. Wala kaming makita. Wala. This is nice. Psst. Cameron. Oy, thank you so much. Salamat sa pa. Sure, dali. Mga gwapa nga sales lady sa mga gwapa nga sales lady sa SM Iloilo. Ayan. O, diba na adala ko sa exposure. So, ayan. Bumibili lang ako ng mozzarella. Guys, so far, ito yung napamili natin. Ayan. Hindi na kami bumili ng ng madami kasi meron na kaming si Miss Carla may pinadala siya sa amin na mga baby stuff. So, konti na yung bibilhin namin. Yung mga kulang na lang talaga. Para kapag nagugas ako ng plato, may siya. May mga niya, may music
May
pa.
music and the vibration pa for relaxation para sa baby. Dahil ako medyo gahibi.
So, andito pa rin kami sa sa baby stuff and may kinuha lang kami. Yung pa yung nabili namin. Nakakahilo. Essential stuff for me. Malap. Uy.
After a very, very long day, we have everything for the spoiled baby. Isn't it?
Kain tayo, guys. I'm really hungry because
We have a chicken in a salad there.
from ng Sherry.
Yeah. And so now we got, I think everything is complete now. Have a stroller here from Nang Sherry, thank you. And then we have the crib we just bought from SM along with the baby bed ready for the nursery. So hopefully we can setting up a nursery vlog when we get back.
Yeah, we're
And
gonna
then-
do a haul, guys,
Yeah.
when we go back.
And then we have the bouncy chair and then bedding, sheets and other stuff there. And then more bedding sheets in there
We're gonna do the whole.
when we go back. Yeah. What time's it now? 9 o'clock?
Yeah, we didn't vlog earlier after we buy the stuff because we went somewhere with Nang Sherry. She showed us some.
We went to Mandawi Farm for the bed, but they didn't have anything there, so we went back to SM and got the one in SM, and it's now, was it Alasna where they PM. I'm just gonna go downstairs to 7-Eleven, get too big, and go to bed. And I already eat pizza, but Rich is having a chicken in a salad.
Guys, si Cameron maliligo na siya. And then ako, magpapak lang ako kasi nga before, para bukas ready na, alis na lang kami. And ang dami namin mga kalat, mga pinamili namin ba. So, susuotin ko ito mamaya. Alam niyo, na parang natatakot ako matulog. Kasi nga, baka na naman sasakit yung paa ko. Baka na naman magka-cramps ako. Kasi, lakad na naman kami ng lakad ngayon. Sinusulit lang kasi namin, guys, yung time namin kapag andito kami sa Iloilo kasi minsan lang ito, and then di na rin ako babalik dito sa Iloilo hanggat manganak ako. After, siguro makakabalik ko ng Iloilo next year na, guys. Pag wala namang babiyahe ako, kakapanganak ko lang, diba? Baka naman ako mabinat naman ako. So, sinusulit talaga namin ni Cameron, kaya nga, ang lahat ng mga dapat namin bilhin, binibili na namin dito, lahat ng mga dapat namin gawin, ginagawa na namin dito, para wala nang iisipin pa, papak tayo para bukas, ready na tayong gumora na lang. Nabilang ko na pala si Mimi ng ng kanyang Aqua Flask, mga Marsh. Ayan. So, ito yung nabili ko, ganitong color, kasi wala silang pink. Pink sana para partner sa kanyang, tawag na ito, partner sa kanyang bag, kaso wala. Yung may pink sila, pero sobrang laki. And, ganitong color na lang. Maganda naman siya. Diba? Huwag na siyang mag-inarte si Nini. Naku, Diyos ko guys. Mineral water nga lang yung ginagamit na pang tubig. Hindi naman uso ganito dati. Samantalang dati, diba? Yung mga nature spring lang na yung umarte yung kapatid ko na yun. Kung hindi niya magustuhan. Mahal din to. 700 plus din to. Para lang dito sa tubigan na ito. And then also, bumili pala ako kahapon guys sa H&M ng mga new socks ni baby. Dinagdagan ko na lang. May new socks ako, may mga socks ako doon, pero dinagdagan ko lang. Ito kasi, magagamit mo siya until kapag ilang months na siya, diba? Eh, yung nabili ko kasi mga booties is, for newborn lang siya. And ito, magagamit mo siya, newborn to, basta pang malakihan na ba, magagamit mo siya. Kaya, ayan, mga, neutral color lang yung pinamili ko para kay baby girl. Meron din siyang, medyas na binili si Cameron last time. Kaso nga, may, yung iba itim, pangit naman kapag itim, pinasuot mo sa kanya, hindi mo makita na baka may mga langgam-langgam yan dyan. Diba? Hindi mo alam, may mga langgam pala dyan sa kanyang paa, or sa kanyang boot, sa kanyang socks. Hindi mo makita kasi nga itim, diba? Siyempre guys, dahil Filipino tayo, dalhin natin ito. Free naman ito Ano na mga toiletries dyan, nagamit na namin. Pero ito, dadalhin ko siya. Guys, ready na yung ating mga bag for tomorrow. And then, ready na rin yung dadamitin ko bukas para gora na lang. Guys, i-end ko na tong video na ito. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and hope to see you guys on our next video. Paalam. I love you all.